Good morning, students. In today's video lecture, we will study different types of novels. There are total 13 types of novels: realistic novel, picaresque novel, historical novel, epistolary novel, gothic novel, autobiographical novel, allegorical novel, utopian novel, psychological novel, stream of consciousness novel, Bildungsroman novel, detective fiction, and science fiction. Now, let's focus on first type of a novel, realistic novel. The realistic novel is also known as a novel of manners. It is a fiction that gives the effect of realism. It can be characterized by its complex characters with mixed motives that are rooted in social class. The characters in a realistic novel interact with other characters and undergo reasonable and everyday experiences. The second type of novel is picaresque novel. The word picaresque is originated from Spanish word picaro, which means a rogue. A rogue is an eccentric or disreputable person. The protagonist in the picaresque novel is a rogue. A picaresque novel narrates the adventures of a roguish but appealing hero of low social class who lives by his wits in a corrupt society. The next type of novel is historical novel. Historical novel has its setting usually in significant period of history. It attempts to convey the spirit, manners, and social conditions of a past age with realistic details and historical facts. The novel may deal with actual historical characters, or it may contain a mixture of fictional and historical characters. The next type of novel is epistolary novel. The word epistolary is derived from the Latin word epistola, which means a letter. An epistolary novel is written as a series of documents. The usual form is letters, although the diary entries, newspaper clippings, and other documents are sometimes used. The next type of a novel is Gothic novel. The novels that include mystery, thriller, supernatural elements, horror, etc. are known as Gothic novel. The Gothic novel also includes doom, death, haunted buildings, ghosts, monsters, etc. The next type of a novel is autobiographical novel. The autobiographical novel is a novel based on the life of the author. However, the author changes the places and names of the characters. Even he may change or avoid certain details of his life. It may or may not be in first person narration. The next type of novel is allegorical novel. An allegory is a story that bears more than one level of meaning. The surface meaning of such novel is different from the symbolic meaning of it. The symbolic meaning of allegory may be political, religious, historical, or philosophical. Now, let's focus on utopian novel. Utopian novel is also known as dystopian novel. Utopia is an imaginary society possessing the ideal qualities. Utopian novel presents an ideal society where the problems of poverty, greed, crime, and so on have been eliminated. The next type of a novel is psychological novel. Psychological novel is the work of fiction that treats the internal life of the protagonist. In psychological novel, the thoughts, feelings, and motivations of the characters are of equal or greater interest than the external action of narrative. Now, Let's focus on the next type of a novel, stream of consciousness novel. Stream of consciousness is a phrase coined by William James in his treatise Principles of Psychology published in 1890. It means the flow of thoughts. The novelist narrates the incidents in the sequence of their occurrence. Virginia Woolf is the pioneer of stream of consciousness technique in English novel. The next type of a novel is Bildungsroman novel. The German word Bildungsroman indicates growth. The fictional biography or autobiography is concerned with the growth of the protagonist's mind, spirit, and characters from their childhood to adulthood. The next type of a novel is detective novel or detective fiction. A novel focusing on solving a crime, often by brilliant detectives, is known as detective novel. It is usually employing the elements of mystery and suspense. The last type of a novel is science fiction. The science fiction deals with imaginative concepts such as futuristic setting, futuristic science and technology, space travel, time travel, parallel universes, and extraterrestrial life. Science fiction often explores the potential consequences of scientific and other innovations. Frankenstein by Mary Shelley, published in 1823, is considered as the first novel based on science and technology. In this way, in today's video lecture, we have studied different types of novels.